My name is Caroline Vetter, Senior Civil Engineer with the City of Fairfield Public Works Engineering, and you're watching Building Our Future. The Allan Witt Community Park Phase 3 All-Inclusive Playground Project is Phase 3 of 8 phases in the adopted Allan Witt Community Park Renovation Plan as part of the Community Spaces Initiative. The Community Spaces Initiative is a multi-year project focused on activating both Allan Witt Community Park and the Linear Park Trail for the enjoyment of the community. The project was developed with input from the community during both the Allan Witt Master Plan renovation design in 2018 and the specific Phase 3 All-Inclusive Playground design in 2020. City staff also coordinated with emergency services personnel to ensure the project was designed with good visibility for both users and emergency services personnel. The project, roughly 3 acres, includes installation of drainage, water, sewer, and electrical utilities, concrete pathways, asphalt road and parking lot, picnic areas, shade shelters, gateway entry arch, ADA compliant play equipment for ages 2 to 12 years, prefabricated restroom building, retaining walls, fencing, landscaping, and irrigation. The project is funded using both local and grant funding, roughly 5.2 of local AB 1600 Parks funds and 1.1 million of grant funding allocated by Assemblymember Wilson through the California Department of Parks and Recreation Office of Grants will be expended during construction. Construction is anticipated to start in roughly a month and last for roughly 6 months. Construction is expected to be complete in spring of 2025. Thank you for watching this episode of Building Our Future, and we'll see you next time.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.